This is a Power Macintosh G4 that's 22 years old. Came out in, well, it's almost 22 years old. It came out in July of 2000. And I'm trying to play YouTube videos on it. It's got a, oh, where's the eject button? Oh, I gotta do it on the, it's actually trying to play a YouTube video. It's running OS 10 10.4, and I'm going to try to put a Linux distribution on it that'll actually make it usable by today's standards. Yeah, it's playing the sounds, but I cannot believe it actually made it this far. But it's just too much. 22, this computer can buy beer, and the fact that it's actually made it this far is impressive. This is my iPod from 2005. It's filthy. It's the 60 gigabyte video enabled. I bought it when I bought my car brand new, and it still says I had it engraved when I ordered it, or actually I think I had to send it to Apple for that. I'm going to plug it in to this machine and see what it does. It says, please wait, very low battery. So I'm probably going to have to let it charge for a minute if the battery will still hold a charge. It was in my car for up until just a year or two ago, so, and the battery was working then, so it might still actually work. Curious to see what's going to happen. Okay. Oh. So the iPod is alive now. Let's see if it'll invoke iTunes on this computer. I'm assuming iTunes is on it. I don't even really know, but I'm about to find out. Alright, well, iTunes is on this machine. I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to see if I can get anything from it to go. Well, that's going to be interesting. I'm going to have to see if I can find iTunes version 6 or later that'll run on OS 10 10.4. So it might take me a little bit off camera to do that. So thanks to the magic of video editing, you'll either see in the next scene if I was successful or not. Certainly Apple's not going to make it this easy for me on this older machine. But let's find out. Yeah, it's going to make it hard. Oh well. Let me try. I think I may have found iTunes 9 for this version of OS 10, which is this is the latest version 9 that will run on this version of OS 10. So let's see if it'll actually work. Alright, iTunes 9 actually looks like it's working with my iPod. Yep. Next project is to try to put a modern version of Linux on here and do some really modern stuff with this computer. Push the hardware to the limits. So we'll see how that goes.